So Mr. Yuvi Gautam
requested us
to check out this video. It is
Yes.
the Kiranti Spirit, the 3rd Battalion of 11 Gorkha Rifles.
11 Gorkha Rifles.
So basically, from what I know, the Gorkha Rifles are like the battalion
of
regiment that is
Indian
used,
Army,
Indian Army that is used by the British, I think, to fight Hitler.
Oh,
I've read it somewhere. But for the rest, not really sure what is it
And
about.
what is about Kiranti Spirit? I have no idea.
Because I'm not gonna say it. Okay, anyway, guys, check it out.
Check it out.
Wait, a lot of quotes
Yeah,
into this
a lot
video.
of quotes today.
If a man says he's not afraid of dying,
He is
either lying or is a Gorkha.
Ooh.
Gokil. The 11 Battalion XI.
So this is how they train them. Kiranti?
What?
There's a Kiranti in the mountain in the hill.
No, ada bagpipe.
Huh?
But that was short. So I have more questions rather than
Rather
answers.
than
So
comment.
first of all, what does Kiranti Spirit means?
Means, yeah.
That is number one.
Uh-huh.
Question number two.
Yeah.
Interestingly though, all the members of the Gorkha Rifles Army, the 11 Battalion, I believe all of them are Northeast Indian.
Because of the face feature, yeah?
Because of the facial features, because I see a lot of them are like, if I don't know, if you guys didn't tell me about this being an Indian army, I'll be like, isn't that your neighbor?
Or is it in Jakarta?
I think it's in Japan. Because it's very interesting. Are they like are the members does it have to be like Northeast Indian?
Indian,
So
yeah.
I thought that was very interesting. In the we all know how army training is really tough.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna touch on that one. But the one that really caught my eyes is like when I look at all the members, it's like they all look very how do I put it, like Southeast Asian. That's what
Or maybe because they train in the Northeast area, Northeast Indian area. Because you see the landscape looks like in Himalayan or in Nepal. You see, do you familiar with that kind of
somewhere in the Seven Sisters.
Yeah,
somewhere in the
Seven
Sisters. Yeah. Interestingly though, but that was a very interesting because and also tell me about what is the significance of the Gorkha Rifle Army. Like what I'm trying to say is like because we have watched the other army videos where how it functioned in a national purposes. For this one, is it like maybe for example, like are they like just guarding the borders? Or what other function do they have?
Maybe they are the front row for the Indian army military.
Maybe. we don't know. We don't really have to say much about this because we don't want to say the wrong thing. And a lot of you guys are really, really harsh on us when we say the wrong things.
Very critical.
Very critical.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
See ya.
Bye bye.
2 menit doang.
Are you still here? They're still watching.
Wah, thank you so much for watching
Thank you so much.
until
Till the end. Till the end.
this second.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to
While you're here, don't forget to
subscribe.
subscribe. Don't forget to.
Hit the like button.
And guys, if you are looking for advertising,
Yep.
email us.
Email us at hiubangshow@gmail.com.
Or even better, go to our Patreon page. We got lots of good
The
stuff.
link is on the description.
Yeah. You know, we've been doing this for quite a while. We've been asking them to do. Nobody go to our Patreon page.
But maybe after this, they will.
Maybe after this. Anyway, guys, as
Thank
always,
you for watching.
thank you.